So after 15 hours of travel, we finally made it. Hello everyone, welcome to another video and welcome to Maui. So I'm excited to create this in-camera phone transitions for you in Maui. About a year or so ago, I created a video on my channel on how you can do in-camera transitions with your phone. And you seem to have liked that video because it's one of my most watched videos on the channel. So today I thought I will follow up with that video and give you 7 new transitions that you can try with your phone or any camera whatsoever. And all of these transitions can be made in camera, but if you're able to edit them a little bit further, it would be a great idea to tweak in the end of the first clip and the beginning of the second clip and add a little bit of a speed ramp to get an even more seamless transition. So if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave a link in the description and you can check it out right here as well. For today's video, I'll be using the iPhone 11 and the native camera app. I find that stabilization works best when you use the native camera app as opposed to third-party camera apps. This is the place we're staying at. This is the living room area. And we get our own little private balcony facing the water. Oops, I just hit my lens with the glass. How cool is that? So one thing you need to keep in mind when you're doing these transitions on your phone is to lock your exposure. So your camera doesn't change exposure as you move the camera from one scene to another or from an area that's a little darker to an area that's a little bit brighter. Usually what your camera tends to do on your phone is to adjust automatically that exposure. That way you're going to be able to lock that exposure and the white balance so you don't get funky colors all over the place. So the way you do it is that on the iPhone camera app, for example, you point the camera on your scene and you tap and hold a place you want to lock exposure to. In this case, I want to lock my exposure to the sky because I want to expose for the sky. So I tap on that part of the screen, I hold on to it, and I can even drag it up or down depending on whether I want that exposure to be a little bit underexposed or a little bit overexposed. If I wanted to expose for a subject in the scene, I would just tap on the subject and hold until it locked. Alright, so let's get started. We're gonna be going all throughout Maui for this video, for all of these transitions, and I'm excited for you to check them out and for you to try them out for yourself as well. right, so those are all the transitions that I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you found this video useful and you're able to implement some of those transitions in your own videos as well. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment below and let me know which one was your favorite transition. And that's it. I'll continue to enjoy beautiful Maui and I'll see you in the next one. I got myself a little hat. This is why composition is super important. Bye.